stressing out when you get to the trade, and also sometimes you even get anxiety and panic attack. Why? Because you are emotional and worry about the outcome. But what if you knew the outcome already? Would you even stress out anymore? That's what I want to talk about today. Alright, as you can see here, this is the trade I just did yesterday, and I like to share with you my strategy and how I manage my trade. Just find the area that you think it's the perfect resistance area. In my case, 2 minutes, but I also suggest, to be sure to get the noise out, you can also try the 5 minutes. So let's do the 5 minutes, we see the difference. So I'm going to find the resistance in that area and support in similar area. So we assuming this is the area we are looking for the 5 minutes chart, right? And you can also try the 15 minutes, see if they are actually supporting. Yes, you see it's exact area, so it just the noise, it's cut off. So that's why I rather to if depending on what kind of traders you are, if you are a short-term trader, you can do the trade a few times in a shorter period than do less basically trades in a longer period. So you can repeatedly play the 5 minutes, maybe 2 times in a 5 minutes, whereas in a 15 minutes time frame you probably do one trade, one here, sell, buy, or short here. Let me just show you. I don't know if you can see that area and that area. So as you can see, you can basically trade this one time or two max, right? You're out, or you're shorting here, you cover in here, or you buy in here, waiting for next move. That's why I call it, if you want to basically do the area that triggers it. So assuming this hasn't happened or happened, right? Now we go to a shorter area. As you can see, this is what exactly you're looking for. I got in a trade, as I showing here perfectly. My area of trade was looking at this bounce or the resistance, waiting for double bottom, which is exactly happened in this area. And then I got in at 651, and I had very tight stop below 651, and my exit was next resistance, which was causing a double top, right? So I didn't want to greedy, so I got out around 690, which is that candle. But this is the 15 minutes candle. I'm gonna go back to 2 minutes because that's where my trade was. So that's a better picture. So I got in 651 and I got out at the resistance here, 690. So 690 was where I got out. I could see if it's gonna break out to 7, but I just didn't want to be greedy. I just want to have a relaxed and comfortable hands-free trade. So this is how I traded it, and I hope that was helpful for you guys. The recap for this video was to be comfortable on a trade, you just have to be patient. At the same time, find the pattern that you're comfortable with and have your entry and exit beforehand. Like, plan your exit, plan your entry, and you don't have to be stressing out, because if it happens, it happened. If not, then you haven't lost anything. It didn't work out the way you planned it, which is normal for any traders. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'm gonna be sharing with you my other videos on the different pattern and how I trade, and hopefully you also enjoy those. Until then, have a good, wonderful day and happy trading.